Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download LWEX Exchange app on your phone. So you won't be able to find this application on Google Play Store or App Store. So you will have to download it from the official website of LWEX Exchange. In order to do it, you need to simply open your web browser and here in the search bar, simply search for LWEX Exchange. The first link that you see over here with the name lwexexchange.com, so you will have to simply click on it. Now this is LWEX Exchange. So over here, in order to download the application, you will have to just scroll down in the bottom and here you will see download the app in Google Play Store or App Store. So you will have to simply click on it and now it will redirect you on the downloading page of LWEX, and from there you can easily install it in your device. Now if you are not able to download it in your phone, I would recommend you to first create your account on LWEX Exchange with the help of your web browser. Then you will have to scan the QR code and you will be able to download this application on your phone. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.